Let's go now to Delhi and speak to our correspondent, Mandakini Garlot. Mandakini, tell us more then about this ruling.
Really landmark ruling there this morning by the Supreme Court. This was a judgment handed down by a five-member bench, which means there were 5 justices involved. And great care was taken in composing this bench. Between the 5 judges who handed down the judgment, they represented the 5 major religions practiced in India, the Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, and Zoroastrianism. This was an attempt to ensure that the verdict was not colored by communal issues. So really a landmark victory there. The judges held that this practice was unconstitutional, and they also threw the ball back into the government's court by asking the government to bring in a law to replace this personal law within the next 6 months. Now, this makes India the 23rd country in the world to abolish this practice, including some countries for which Muslim law is in their constitution, like Saudi Arabia and Pakistan had abolished this practice long before. So really, this was the need of the hour and a historic judgment which is being widely celebrated here.
Now, we just heard before coming to you from the Indian Muslim Women's Movement. Tell us about more reactions to this ruling.
Well, one of the first people to respond to the verdict was the Prime Minister himself, who called it a historic judgment and said that this really, increases efforts towards bringing in equality for Muslim women and, in general, is a great measure for women's empowerment in India. What's really heartening is that this is perhaps one of the few instances since he was elected that all political parties have lined up behind him to welcome the judgment. And so really it looks like that this government is not going to have any problems whatsoever bringing in a new law to replace this one in the parliament in the next few months. Now, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, the body that implements the law, is going to hold a meeting soon to decide how they want to respond to this. But one of their leaders has come forward to say that, well, while this is a great judgment, it's going to be very, very tough to implement on the ground. And that perhaps might be true. It'll take a while before this judgment trickles down to the rest of India, so to speak.
Thank you very much, Mandakini Garlot in Delhi for us. Apologies for the quality of that line.